Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Joey and this is my YouTube channel for Tony Motors. My little slice of the internet where I can talk about cars, motorcycles, and basically anything that I darn well please. And today I'm working on my 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally. And today's video is going to be super short. Basically, I bought this bike last night from Ohio. Drove down from Michigan, picked it up, came back, got home about 10:30. This morning at 6 a.m. I was working on it. I'm going on a 5-week road trip over the next 5 or 6 weeks. 5 weeks, you know what I mean. And I need to get it ready, right? This is a great dual sport bike, but I want this bike to be a little more adventure focused. So I'm doing a lot of things to get it up and going. A few videos have already happened in the past. A few more videos are happening in the future, and then it's adventure time. In today's video, we're gonna be installing this. This is a chain guide from Zeta. It adds a little bit of shiny red, but it's also just a lot stronger quality hard plastic to keep that chain where I need it to be, which is on the bike and not skipping a sprocket or anything like that. So today's video, we're gonna jump on down. The bike's already jacked up. We're going to get this bad boy installed. So let's grab the camera and let's head over. So this is what we're talking about, this hard plastic piece here. We're gonna replace that with this. And obviously it's going to look so much better. So first thing we need to do is we need to take this bad boy off. Let's see, I'm a betting man, I think it's a 10. Ooh, first try. Got a Phillips and maybe a 10 on the back of those. It's weird that they did it as a Phillips. I hate screwdrivers. Alright, so that's a 10. And that Phillips is spinning, so we definitely have to grab it. Also, if you guys don't have one of these, it's literally the best thing in the world. These are the same size. We're going to add a little blue Loctite when we add them back in, but we're good to go. Easy. All right, so we changed here. Now we're in Allen's. Let's go see what we got. Ooh. So we're gonna disassemble this. This is a 4 on them good old boy Allen charts. Let's see. Fairly loose already. This is just easier to do this by finger. Comes off. That comes off. How does this come? This separate? This has to separate, right? Oh, does this push through? Oh, tricky, tricky, tricky. That pushes through. Is there another one? Wow, this is sturdy. This definitely ain't coming off. There we go. Okay, like this and like this, right? Pyramid backwards. This goes up. That comes in. We're gonna get our hands a little greasy. Should be wearing gloves, but I never tend to do. Let's separate this just enough so we can get those pegs in there. See if I can pry this open a little easier without stabbing myself. Let's see. Basically just gotta manhandle it. There we go. Front's in. There we go. The bottom one's in, and then the top ones are out. Ah! So close. There we go. Wow, that took some time. Now we take this metal spacer, feed it through here. Oh, that was simple. So this now goes on the back side, which is why I've been confused, because I thought, like, why would it want to be in the front side? Very interesting. Okay. So I said using stock bolts. All right. Now I'm seeing where this is happening. We're gonna add a little bit of blue Loctite. This is gonna go on the back side. It's gonna match this. There's that little piece of the rubber grommet. Gonna hold it up. Gonna slide to the spacer. Grab there. Same thing with this. Now we just tighten this down. And tighten it to 10 Newton meters of torque, which is basically 1 UGA. Just want to check this top one more time. So that was it. It was probably 20 minutes, and that was me trying to figure it out how to do it for the very first time. So hopefully it's much easier when you guys do it because you watch this video, because my videos are very helpful, right? Right? That's what I thought. So that's it right now. A lot of red going on over here. Boom, 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 boom. Lots of red. I haven't actually put a mile on the bike yet, so I'm actually going to go throw my helmet on and go take it for a quick spin around the block. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, liked this video, subscribe to my channel. Lots of CRF content coming in the next few weeks. Bye, y'all.